How to use the Squarespace website editor. So we have in here a Squarespace website editor. So we can see in here that we have this section. If you want to edit this section, just click on this edit section option and you can see in here the design. You can also see the background as well as the colors. So for this one, let's head over first to our design and you can change up the row count as well as the gap and also add in here a divider. For this one, you can also change up the background that we have right here. So let's click on this replace option and upload in here a file from our gallery. I'll choose this one. And once it's been uploaded, it will load for a while and make sure that it's a supported file itself. So I'll just input create here a supported file. And then let's choose this one. And once it's been uploaded, it should be able to appear right here. Now take note, you can also use video as well as art. Now, if you want, you can also head over and then add a new section by clicking on this add section option. Then you can add a footer or a blank section if you want. So on this blank section, you can add a block. Just click on this add block option and you can add some elements like text, buttons, and a lot more. Let's choose in here a text. And then you can start writing in here whatever you want added. You can just utilize the add the block option in order to add whatever you want added. So that's how you use a Squarespace website editor. Hope we helped.